The Infinix GT 10 Pro series is expected to launch in India soon. The smartphone maker teased the phone to feature a rear panel with a design similar to the Nothing Phone 2 with LED light strips. The company has revealed the design of both the models in the series ahead of its debut. The series is expected to comprise the Infinix GT 10 Pro and the GT 10 Pro Plus model. The Nothing Phone 2 was launched in India on July 11th and went on sale for the first time on Friday. The design revealed by Infinix ahead of the launch shows an interactive backlight interface where small strips of LED lights are seen placed along with the camera units on the rectangular module. It is remnants of the Nothing Phone's glyph interface that allows the LED panels on the back of the handset to alert users of certain notification and alerts. According to Infinix, the lights will turn on when a game is launched on the handset for different notification as well as signify the charging status of the phone. Earlier, Nothing CEO Carl Pei had reacted to the news that Infinix is planning to launch a GT series of phone inspired by Nothing Phone 2 and tweeted, "Time to get the lawyers ready," with the laughing emoji. The GT 10 Pro series will have a full HD plus display, a 108 megapixel triple rear camera setup accompanied by 32 megapixel selfies with 5000 mAh battery. The GT10 Pro is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset, while the Pro Plus is expected to get the Dimensity 8050 chipset. Both will run XOS 13 based Android 13. The company termed the LED light panel feature as ceramic mecha design. As per the release, GT10 series model will be available in two colors, Cyber Black and Mirage Silver. The Cyber Black model will feature bright orange highlights on the rear panel, while the Mirage Silver will come with color changing design which reflects steel blue and dusty pink colors when exposed to UV lights.